Alright, this video is O1 HW2, initial velocity. We're going to go over a couple of the problems over here on the homework, and it'll be your job to finish off the rest of the problems. We're going to do one or two of each type here. So let's talk about problem number one. We have the initial velocity, aka VI, which is going to be a variable itself, plus 6 equals 18. Our goal is to get this VI all by itself. So what we got to do is use our inverse operations of subtracting 6 from both sides. So now the plus 6 and a minus 6, they cancel out. So we have a VI all by itself. So it's VI equals 18 minus 6 gets you 12. So that's the answer to number one. Number two, the initial velocity minus 4 equals 12. Well, we add 4 to both sides. The minus 4 and plus 4 cancel out, so you get the initial velocity is equal to 16. Let's do problem number 3. We subtract 17 from both sides. We get that initial velocity all by itself. And we get the initial velocity is 61. Number 4, we add 89 to both sides. And we get the initial velocity to be 113. You could do 5, 6, 7, 8 on your own, but number 9. Now we're incorporating multiple variables in here. No worries, we still have to get the initial velocity by itself, so we add a to both sides. Like so. The minus a and the plus a, they cancel out, so the initial velocity is by itself. And since 17 and a, they're not like terms, we just write it horizontally, 17 plus a. Number 10, initial velocity plus d equals 39. We're going to subtract d from both sides, like so. Initial velocity is all by itself. So then we have 39 minus d. They're not like terms, so we just write it out horizontally. Number 11, initial velocity minus a equals 34. We add a to both sides. Minus a and plus a, they cancel out. The initial velocity is equal to 34 plus a, because you just combine them. You could do 12, 13, 14 by yourself, but 15 is a little bit different. The initial velocity minus 3a equals 17. We add 3a to both sides, because our goal, remember, is to get that initial velocity by itself. So we add 3a to both sides. The minus 3a and the plus 3a, they cancel out. So then you have 17 plus 3a. So initial velocity is 17 plus 3a. Number 16, inverse operation once again. We subtract 5a from both sides. And then these guys cancel out, and initial velocity is 22 minus 5a. And 17, 18, 19, and 20 you could do on your own. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, I'll be happy to help you out. Just come to Extra Help after school or ask me during class. All right, have yourself a wonderful day.